fellow vapers, welcome back to the Freetown Vaping World. Today we are thrilled to bring you the Orbit Pod Kit. This pod kit promises to take your vaping experience to the next level with its innovative features, a stylish design and ultimate ease of use. So let's step in and check out what makes the Orbit Pod Kit so special. First, let's talk about the packaging. On the front of the box, you'll notice the prominent Orbit Pod Kit branding alongside some key features like triple power modes, dual mesh, dual airway, and an impressive 20,000 puffs. The packaging gives you a glimpse of the product with a vibrant image of the device itself, showcasing its modern design and innovative features. On the side, you'll see more details like the child lock. Of course, there are the usual safety warnings on the front and back to ensure peace of mind when using the product. Now let's get to the fun part, unboxing. As you open the box, everything is neatly packed and organized. Inside, you'll find the Orbit Pod Kit, including pre-filled pod, battery, as well as a user manual to guide you through the setup process. Setting up the Orbit Pod Kit is a breeze. Simply get rid of the upper silicone and bottom sticker of the pod, then install into the battery, and you're ready to start vaping. No complicated setup steps, just a quick and effortless start. Now let's talk about the design and build quality. The Orbit Pod Kit features a sleek, futuristic design with a smooth, rounded body that fits comfortably in your hand. The modern, sophisticated look is complemented by the screen display, which provides all the necessary information at a glance, including your power modes, e-juice level, and battery status, child lock, no pod installed alerts. One of the standard features of the Orbit Pod Kit is its triple power modes. You can choose between soft mode for a gentle smooth puff, turbo mode for a powerful but balanced experience, or boost mode for intense flavor with a rich vapor heat. Another great feature is the lock. Press the set button 5 times to activate it, providing safety according to your needs. The preset airflow control is easily adjusted by rotating the pod installing direction, giving you the flexibility to fine-tune your vaping experience and ensure perfect vapor every time. Orbit Pod Kit has 10 flavors: cherry ice, blue rice ice, pineapple ice, strawberry watermelon, watermelon bubblegum, cool mint, peach ice, triple mango, double apple, triple berry ice. As for the specifications, the dual mesh coils ensure that you are getting both flavor and peak performance thanks to Freetown's MDLI technology. With its 20,000 puffs, the Orbit Pod Kit will last you a long time, making it a perfect choice for those who love to vape throughout the day. The 850 mAh rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting power and enjoy your vape in no time. If you like this unboxing, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and click the link below to learn more. And make sure to subscribe for more top-tier vaping products. Remember, enjoy freedom, enjoy Freetown.